Hey, what's up everybody? John the Pilot. I'm doing a quick 11-month review on my SF3 that I bought from Costco a while back, and it was on a deal. I bought it for $1,900 bucks. I'm just going to show you some things that I've been noticing that aren't really that big of a deal, as it's been in my garage in Florida in the humidity for over a year now. The only problems I've been seeing is you can see there's just a little bit of rust that's been accumulating on the handholds. Zero rust on the rails for the weights. These move perfectly easily, and the weight stacks haven't cracked. Everything's good to go. I haven't had any issues with the pulleys whatsoever. There you go. I can see if I can zoom in. Kind of see the rust a little bit forming there. But otherwise, this thing has been in really good, solid working order. I'm quite thoroughly impressed with it. I will be doing a comparison. I personally don't have one, but Inspire came out with the SF3, and I've been looking at that on the website. So I'm gonna go ahead and see, I'm gonna do the best I can in a later video to compare them. I know the SF3 is a lot more money. One thing I want you to consider, the SF3, by the way the products are being placed, and how Costco is not really promoting it anymore, I would not be surprised that the SF3 is gonna go away from Costco, period. And at the time of this recording, I'm pretty sure the SF3 is going for $2,499, and I'm not sure if that includes shipping or not. Well, I love editing. Let's check out Costco.com. There's the SF3 for $24.99.99. I'm gonna add it to the cart. And let's take a look, view the cart, see if shipping is free. And what do we got? Oh my God, it's still free. This is amazing. But I'll go ahead and see if I can throw a link in the description below. Once again, I'm not sponsored by Inspire, not sponsored by Costco. Just a dude in my garage. I like to work out and see if I can show people how to save some money. Quality time with me is with family. That's why I work out at home. Otherwise, John the Pilot. See ya.